overview of all the faders available. So if I click layer 1, for example, I can see I have few mono stereo, and they're here. So here I have my 48 faders. Okay. If you want to create new faders somewhere, so if I want here 8 microphones, maybe 8 mono signal, you can select from here, your hand, you drag like this, okay, and here it says new path. Okay, you click new path, and here you have a bunch of things that you can put on these faders. So it says 207 DSP resources. So it means out of the 340, we already used 133. Okay. So if I want some mono signal, I click mono, and now it creates 8 mono signal. Okay. This is just a path. Okay, I just created a DSP channel. There's nothing rooted to it. Okay, there's no patch made so far. I just created a channel with this screen. Is that alright? If I want to make a group somewhere, I can select the fader number 5, new path, and I can select maybe the group 1 mic. Okay, I make it here, and I get the fader here. Okay. If I want to move that fader, because I don't want on layer 1, I want it on layer 2. I can select it, and when I select it, I have a bunch of features here. I have clone, move, delete, cancel. If I delete, it will remove the fader from the console. If it is a channel, it will also remove the patch, so you have to be very careful with this. For example, if I select this AS source over here, if I decide to delete, I have a warning message saying be careful, you are deleting a channel with a patch on it. So you will lose the patch also. So you have to be okay. So let's say I want to move this one to layer 2. So I use the move section, and then I choose where I want. So I want layer 2, maybe fader, same one. Okay. I just select here, and then it says move swap. And now the fader is gone to layer 2. So if you go to layer 2, it is going there. Okay. If you want to change 2 faders together. For example, I want to change this fader with this one. I select this one here, move again, and I put it with this one. And now it says swap or override. Swap means I change, override means I remove this one, because I will write on it. So I want to swap all of them, and now they swap.
So I can do what I want.
You could do everything you want. If you don't like it, it's there, you can make it. Okay, so it's very simple. You select, if you want a whole layer of channels, so let's say layer 7, okay? On layer 7, there is nothing. See, when I select, there is actually no fader. I can select the whole layer here, and I can make it all maybe mono channels. Okay, and now I have the whole console full of mono channels. But of course, it uses some DSP. So you see, I have only 151. So the more you use mono, the more you will remove from the 340. Normally it's enough. I don't think you need more than 300, but never know. Okay, if you need to delete, you can select the whole row and delete. Now it says be careful, you will also remove the patch, but I didn't do any patch. Okay?
Он кассеты менял, а может он свои прям менять? Целиком.
Can we change the layers? All layer?
Copies.
Or swap?
Swapping a whole layer together, I don't think it is possible.
Прям третий с четвертым.
Move. Oh yes, I didn't know. See? Move to layer 7. Yep, you can.
Да, можно.
I didn't know. Thank you. Спасибо. I've never done it. There is another feature which is clone. What is the clone? Okay, I am on this layer.